Hey guys, Eric and Richie here, Crazy Rides Inc.
How you doing?
Today we're going to be installing this back tour pack light on my bike. My other one went dead, so we'll show you how to install it. It's pretty easy.
Nice piece. If you
So,
looked earlier, you'll see the review that I did.
yeah. All right, let's get started. All right, so here's the light. You have here, this is for your antennas. You have your CD, and you have your radio as well. All right. All right, first things first, let's open this up. Okay. First thing we got to take off is this band. So we have the screws up front here. Just see that right here. Take these two off. But when you take them off, make sure you have someone like Richie holding this so it doesn't fall back and break off.
That would be me.
Okay.
Okay, so what he's doing now is he's taking these screws out. I'm holding the
support.
bag. I
Hold it.
have the bag.
Okay.
Don't,
Next thing we're gonna do
and
is
I
we're
have
gonna
to
put.
continually hold the bag. Or
Yes.
someone has to hold the bag. Otherwise, this will crack.
Right. So what we want to do now is take out the liner.
Okay.
Okay.
So, he's
So the
gonna do
liner
that
comes right
now.
out. You just kind of move it up like this, and boom.
And
there
that's
you
it.
go.
Voila.
Put it on the side.
Okay, now I'm gonna go on the other side here, holding the bag. Remember, holding the bag. I got the bag.
Okay. Actually, what we could do now is we could reattach the bag.
Okay, so he's gonna put the screws back in and reattach this, so I don't
Push
have
it
to
up a
hold
little
it.
bit.
But these are the screws in the back here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see them. Those are the screws that hold the lamp on.
There's two on the side here as
Oh,
well.
and there's 2 on the side there. Okay, I see that. And then there's the antenna mounts right here. And there's ground for that antenna. Or that's the antenna attachment. So,
Let me get the other screw.
now you're just screwing these back in so I don't have to hold the bag. So, obviously you would need 2 people. Somebody definitely has to hold the bag, and that would be hard to do by yourself.
Let go.
Okay,
go.
and that's it. Now we're gonna go over to here.
Okay.
He's going to show us.
So
I
look,
guess I'll go back here.
I could pop that off, I think.
That's the
I don't know if I'm
light
gonna have.
switch.
Yeah.
But we're gonna test these lights. We always test no matter where you're getting them from. Always plug them in and go through the sequence and test the lights.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to pull it out.
Of course, you never know.
Okay. Let me get.
You can't get to that?
No, I can't get to that. So.
You want me to use my little fingers?
No.
Okay. That would be a 9/16. That would be a five. Is that what is that?
9/16.
5/8. And if that don't work, get an adjustable. There you go, 5/8. Okay, so we know now that that screw is a 5/8. Anybody out there doesn't have to go through 3 wrenches to find it.
You're not getting this, are you?
Yeah, it can't help that. You know, it's right there. Otherwise, I won't get the whole thing. I got it now. Oh, I got a better shot now. I got your big hand now.
That's fine.
Okay, now. Good.
Okay.
You can't get that plug out, brother?
No, because it's like right there.
Oh.
It's not letting me.
So how are we gonna do this? We gotta talk.
Well, this will come off.
You're gonna take the light off to do
Yeah,
this,
and then
huh?
unplug it.
All right. So I guess that's the only way we can test it. You don't have to take the light off. Again, it's only 6 screws, so, and a couple of other little mounts here and there. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay.
All right, so we use the same. I think we use the same.
Is that a star?
It's a star.
What's the number? Oh,
Need my
okay.
glasses
Get his
for that.
glasses. Go in the light.
I think it's a 20.
All right, so there it is. It's a star 20.
Actually, it's smaller.
So it's not a star 20. Okay, rebuttal that. Okay, once you get all those screws off. Okay, all the screws are out now, so he's gonna pull out that so we can get the plug disconnected. And there's the plug right there. And,
There you go.
okay, so now we're gonna get the new one. We're just gonna leave it in the bag, plug it in, and go through the sequence. No, put it in the bag. This way you know, just put it in the bag so we can see it. You gotta turn the directionals on. You gotta do all that. All right, turn the bike. You got the keys?
Yeah, just turn the thing. There you go.
Okay. So
It is new.
turn it to me so they can see it. All right, because I gotta put the directionals. Directionals are on that and brake, right?
We hope so.
Well, let me try. Okay, so here's the left directional. All right, she's blinking. There she goes. Now I'm going to shut that. I'm going to go to the right directional. And you're looking at it opposite, but because the way he's holding it. And now we're going to get the brake. I'll use the... Wait a minute. All right, so now we're going to just
Install.
reinstall. So we're going to reverse the sequence. He's going to plug it in first. Then settle it into the bag and put the screws in.
That was a good fit.
Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Okay. And that's it. I'll have him put one screw in, then we'll go on the other side and we'll look at it. Just put those screws in hand tight right now. So you could make sure that the holes are all lined up properly. Okay. So while he's screwing it in, I'm going to go on the other side and oh, nice match. Actually, this matches his bag lights and his filler lights. Very nice. Very nice.
All right, so we put the lights on. You had to adjust it a little bit, getting it in. You got to wiggle it a little to find the holes. And let's turn them on.
That's nice. Matches your bag lights. Everything matches. Bag lights, tail light, the whole 9 yards.
Brake light.
Directional. Yeah, they synced. They're synced. Here you go.
That's it. That's it. So, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like, and on April 27th, we're having another bike day and cars. So bring your bikes, your cars, supercars, muscle cars.
Address is 1400.
It's in Wellington. The address is right over here.
1400. What is that?
Corporate Center Way in Wellington. All right.
April 27th.
Got a bunch of sponsors here. Palm Beach Harley's going to be there. Cigar Roller's going to be there. So come, and we're going to have a bike show as well. And we'll see you next time.
We're going to have raffles, and it's free to get in.
It's free, no charge. Just come, enjoy yourself.
Right.
All right?
And there'll be food.
Yes, there'll be food trucks there,
Right.
music, the whole 9 yards. All right? See you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification, and leave a comment. We'd like to hear from you.